Hello, my name is Jerry Yates from Stream Team Anglers, and I am the creator of Fanny Fly Treatment, the double duty fly treatment. And we're here at Maggie Valley Fly Shop today in Western North Carolina to give a demonstration in the proper use of Fanny Fly Treatment. So come on over here to the tank. So when you think about fly treatments, oftentimes your mind straight goes to dry flies. So let's start off with the dry fly. What Frog's Fanny is, it's a dry powdered application, and each bottle comes with its own little brush in there. There's just a little light powder there, and you can see how fluffy and powdery it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to first start off with the fly, and instantly this powder can be placed on a fly directly out of the fly box, or if it's been soaked or slimed by a fish, you reapply the powder. And what I mean by double duty is it not only waterproofs, but it dries things out. It's a desiccant as well. We're going to take that powder with that brush, I'm just going to brush it liberally right into the fibers of that fly. And now we're ready to float that dry fly. Once we got that powder on there, we're going to drop that in the water. You can see how it floats nice and high on the fibers of that fly, but that's not always the case when you're fishing in a fast river. You got turbulent waters, so we're going to pretend that fly just got sucked into the water with that turbulent river. Let it go for a second, watch that thing just pop right back to the surface. And that will continue on like that, generally till the fish grabs a hold of it, slimes it, just reapply and go back to fishing. So we'll do that one more time for you so you can see it pop up out of the water. That's the dry fly. So it can be put on, again, everything from man-made materials, CDC feathers, you name it, you put it on there and it'll float it.